Reading a bar graph. So this bar graph shows the birth dates of different students by what month they were born in. So along the bottom we have month, and along the side we have number of students, and then there's a bar for each one of those months. So our first question says, how many students have a birthday in May? So I'm going to look for the bar for May, and I follow that up and see that it hits 8. So there are 8 students that have a birthday in May. Our second question says, how many students have a birthday in September? So same thing as last time, I'm going to find September. I'm going to follow that up and look to see how high the bar goes. Now this time I see that the bar is somewhere in between 6 and 8, and it actually looks like it's exactly halfway between 6 and 8. So halfway between 6 and 8 would be 7. So there are 7 students who have a birthday in September. Our last question says, how many students were surveyed? So it wants to know altogether how many students were asked, when is your birthday? So what I need to do is add up all of the numbers for each month. So January is between 2 and 4, so there were 3 students in January. And then February there were 4. March there were 2. April, once again, we're halfway between 2 and 4, so that's another 3. May is 8. June, all the way up there at 10. July is 6. I'm going to go down to the next line. August is just 1. September had 7. October had 8. November had 4. And December had halfway between 6 and 8, so 7. And then all I'm going to do is take those numbers and my calculator and add them together. So 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 10 plus 6 plus 1 plus 7 plus 8 plus 4 plus 7 gives me a grand total of 63. So there were 63 students who were surveyed. Oops.